Alright guys, so I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new mechanical gaming keyboard. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright. Alright, and check it out. Look at that cool design. That is cool. It's got these back here. Want to keep it at an incline. So it could be Bluetooth, it could be wireless, it could be through the Type-C cable. So it has it has every preference, so whatever way you choose to connect it, it has that option. It also does come with some replacement switches right here. The Type-C cable, and then the tool to take off the keys. So let's go and actually test it out and try it out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to my iPad. Like I said, you do have 3 different options, whether it's Bluetooth, wireless, or USB. You can easily switch up to 5 devices, whether it's an iPad, laptop, or desktop. So you can multitask between gaming and work. One of the things that I wanted to mention was the battery life. It'll give you up to 79 hours with the RGB light on and an unbelievable 700 hours with the RGB lights off. Plus, these pattern keycaps don't just look cool, they feel great on the fingers. Typing is super smooth thanks to the 15-layer gasket structure and PCB single key slot, which softens every key press and adds a nice bounce. Plus, the 6-layer muffler design cuts down 95% of typing noise, making it quieter and more satisfying to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you hear it. Alright, so let's go ahead and actually light it up. With the 105 RGB lighting beats, you get vibrant colors and dynamic effects to match your vibe. And if you're on a wired or 2.4 gig mode for Windows, you can program your own macros and lighting effects, fully customizable, and shortcuts to key maps. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you're looking for a new keyboard for your office, for gaming, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.